Hi, my name is Haley Crivens, and today my group and I are going to discuss with you on how to be a successful online student. How many times have you heard someone say that they hate school or they can't fit it in their schedule? Probably plenty, right? But that's why there's options. First, you have the option of not attending school, but not getting a college education is probably not the right choice. Then there's attending school, but most of the time, courses are offered at the time of the days that never seem to work out. That's why getting an online education might be the right choice for you. Today, my peers and I would like to discuss with you on how to become a successful online student. First, Rakia is going to tell you the types of difficulties that may occur. And lastly, Mackenzie is going to wrap it all up by telling you how you can overcome these difficulties and how you can get started on becoming a successful online student. But first, I'm going to discuss with you the advantages of online learning, as it allows you to create a more flexible schedule, take any class at any time, and it lets you work at more of your own pace. One of the biggest advantages of online learning is it allows you to create a flexible schedule. Online school allows you to get your degree regardless of how busy your schedule is. And there's no timeline on getting this degree either. You can take as many classes or as little classes as you would like. You can work at a pace that allows you to get your degree when you feel it's right. You can take semesters off or sessions off depending on what type of school you go to. It also makes it easier for people with busy lives to not have to worry about attending a class on campus. This allows you to take any class at any time. You get to take any class that you would like, as well as it's easier to sign up for these classes. Because you don't have to fight what class fits best in your schedule. A certain amount of classes are offered for each course, and you just gotta sign up, and that's it. Once you're registered, you're in. This allows you to log into your course at any time of the day from anywhere you are. All you need is a laptop and access to the internet, and you're golden. Lastly, you get to work at your pace. Learning online allows you to be a little bit more flexible. Even though most classes have a deadline, the deadline is normally given well in advance, either at the beginning of the semester in the syllabus or well in advance before it's due. This allows students to put it in their planner and know when it's due. It also allows them to work at a pace that gives them the advantage to understand the assignment and get the assignment done before it's due date. Now that I've told you the advantages of being an online student, my friend Rakia will discuss with you some difficulties that may occur during your journey as an online student.